can't do this clutter. I want to pull my hair out, and that's inappropriate right now.
I might have to order it.
Girl, this store is huge. Okay, so look, these are knickknacks for the restroom. Look.
Where? Yep.
I mean, I don't like the way it's already. Oh, girl, it is solid and it is heavy. It's $84. Look, it says lotion. This is cute. $16.
That's not bad. That's the lotion.
I know my bathroom white. Ooh, I like these clear containers where I can put like cotton balls and
the little pads.
mm-hmm. What would you put in here? I don't even know what you would put in here.
And this, you can put towels in there.
Oh, it is. It says a classic linen closet.
The towels, so you can put like towels and stuff in there. That's probably why specifically over here by the towels.
Here you go. That'd be cute. But I think I can order them offline from somewhere else. I'm not paying $34 a piece for that. This is a towel rack.
That's what it looks like. No.
$29. It better come with Jesus. He gonna clean the restroom. Ain't nobody got time for it. Good. You wanna go that way or go this way?
No, I might as well go that way.
This way.
Yep.
Girl, look at the dog.
What a doggy. Oh. Look at it.
Oh, they got everything. They got real babies and fake babies.
That's cute. But Jesus Christ.
$1,700.
Oh.
This is cute for the loft. You got $1,000?
No hole.
Okay, I mean, I know it's the outlet store, but why is everything unorganized?
I knew you was gonna say
like
that.
shopping. You know how I feel about shopping when stuff is not unorganized.
Yep. Everybody gotta pull stuff out and put it back in there. I'm pretty sure they're not doing that.
Right.
And there got some mirrors.
That's exactly why I came over here.
Ooh, the mirror's dirty.
Well, maybe I could clean the mirror. Sold in a box, $2.49. I'm not impressed yet. Okay, girl.
That's all right, girl.
I believe you should get over there to CD.
What she did, walk over them thing. Oh, she picked up. Oh! Jesus.
All right.
Get it.
Here we go. I was gonna say I was gonna go help. Oh, fine. What go on? I like this. Do it go on the wall?
Yeah.
Or do it go? Okay.
It's got little
Hooks to go on the wall. Ooh, it's solid too. I would like to go over the bedroom and do like 3 over my bed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that would be
You think
cute.
that'd be cute?
Mm-hmm.
But then about 3 would be
There go another one right there up underneath that shelf.
I know.
But I don't see another one.
And these are not 60%
Yes, it is.
off. These are only 50% off.
They who?
They're only 50% off, not.
I know. What's wrong with that? How much is it total? 149.
Yeah.
So then you're gonna be paying what? You're gonna be paying what? $100?
No. Come on, you gotta act like
Half
you know
off?
man. 150.
That's wait. $60 or something?
60 is 120. We're not doing a good job at this. We sound like some complete idiots. I can't do this clutter. I want to pull my hair out, and that's inappropriate right now. Girl. James said, don't do gold. Don't do gold. You can't do gold. He thinks gold is dated. He's dated.
Oh.
He's dated.
Oh. How much is it?
I know this is like $2,079. It's cute though. Now if this says
$2,000 for what though? What would you use it for?
Nah, it's don't judge me. Don't look. No, get the fuck away, B. This does not say what I thought.
Get your ass out the way. How much is it?
$279.
Exactly. So I knew that was a motherfucking lie. You don't know how to read your
But
numbers.
that would be cute. I
First,
just
you don't know how to
where
do
I
your
would put it.
math. Now you don't know how to read numbers.
Judge ye not, Jesus.
WWJD. What would Jesus do? Hallelujah.
Hire an accountant. That's cute. Now this is my price.
On this
Then
right
the
here.
times- Yes, and then you stick your.
No, you don't stick them pumpkins in there. You stick them little balls Sean be doing. You know them little cute little
Yes, but
balls?
you could also be creative. You don't have to just stick.
No.
Me.
Well, we had a came here yesterday. She would have got
Oh, this is so cute for Najee, and it's 60% off. I ought to get this.
it. No, just put it down. You can get it for me in my wedding.
Oh, when? When you get married?
Candy Cam.
She gonna be out of style.
You want Candy Cam.
I can't stand you.
Look at them glasses, girl. Look at them wine glasses. A team.
You know I need more of that because I drink lots of wine.
Ooh. The wine you be picking nasty as hell.
Well, it ain't. First of all, it's an acquired taste. I know I saw something that said a home goods store.
Yeah.
Somebody been through here. All looking through his shop. I like this. I don't know how I feel about the gold right now. And somebody opened it and brought it back. Just saying. I'm just saying. 36. This store ain't got shit. Oh, okay, this is cute. Okay. Okay. 5, 6. Yeah, that's cute. I want this gold thing that she picked. Hopefully she put it back down. Oh, a basket for me? I like this. I don't think I need 3. I'm just get the basket because it was just right here. So, oh my, look at this. Okay, that I can see stuff in the inside of.
You can see yourself in it.
We look Kurt. Let's see how much it is. If it's more than $10, I'm leaving. Okay, we can. It's $13. Look at God. He is blessing us today. Still got it. Oh, this is cute too. No, these little tray things are in.
Uh-huh.
Look at this. Oh, I see why. It ain't. This is flimsy. $5.99. Should have known it, but I guess on the table nobody else would know it was cheap.
Yep. Unless they pick it up.
Don't pick up my shit, bitch. Or you wanna walk on there? I think I should put it in the car. Because I don't want to break these.
Yeah.
And I guess we want a Tuesday morning next.
Yep.
Then we'll go inside of Kirklands.
Alright. Cause it's club going up on a Tuesday. Tuesday morning in Atlanta, Georgia. Even though it's Monday. She said ain't got no bad. They gonna love me everything.
I know, it's cute too.
Look at the llama. Look at
That's good.
Look at the llama
That's
llama.
huge.
The llama llama.
This is bigger than the one by our house, ain't it? Or is it more organized?
I don't know.
I'm loving the pumpkins.
Yeah.
That big orange pumpkin. I mean, that big one down there. I wonder how much that one is.
The silver one?
Yes. Because that'll go with my little tape.
It is. Let's zoom in on the camera.
What is that?
Focus. $24.99. It's
That's not bad.
$24.99 for it.
But before I buy it, you know where I might be able to get it from.
Where?
They got their Christmas stuff out. Just skip out.
Creamy.
Well, they ain't skipped the holiday.
I'm gonna say they did. That's cute.
Ooh, B. Ooh, what you doing, B, with all that? Ooh, nothing.
How much is
$20. It ain't $20.
Oh, and this you put back in the wrong section. No.
That standing mirror, though.
Which one?
I had one to go for my. That's in storage. I
It's
think I got
about the
one
long.
big one. Remember the one that was in my white room? Yes, girl.
Kirkland, we're entering. And there the bone. I like this too. Today only
I like
30% off your entire purchase.
Today only what?
30% off your entire purchase. Smell good.
Yeah, delicious. Every time you
Come in here and smell good.
Starting to work our way around. The farmhouse look is just everything right now.
Yes.
Oh, I like these.
Come out there.
Why? Because they all 3 different sizes.
Yeah.
And it kind of goes with my living room, and it's $19.99 plus 30% off.
I think that is 30% off. Or $24. This store makes you feel like you at home.
It does, don't it?
The smell of it.
Look at that.
The decoration.
So I can get my little candle. Oh, this is cute. So that's what's wrong with me. I think everything is cute.
Remember you said you wanted something like this anyway, this color?
I did, but I do like this.
That's cute.
I like this. I need $200.
Damn. Oh, you better go hit the pole then.
Hit the pole. I like that.
What if it's $100?
I can do it.
She said I can do $100.
I ain't doing no credit.
No
But why
credit.
there isn't any prices on it?
It might be at the bottom.
This is only, no, that's $150. I really like this.
See.
I knew I saw these. All right, I want these. I want both of these. I don't know where it's gonna go. And if I come home with it, James probably gonna be like,
What the fuck?
What's popping?
What is this?
But I
But
need
what's the point of it? You can't even see yourself in it.
You're not supposed to see yourself.
Okay.
It's art.
Okay.
Okay. This isn't a something type of piece. I don't know what it is.
That's pretty.
Yeah, I do like it.
They can go in the kitchen. Or they can go in the porch.
I know.
Damn right there. Going in my room.
That'd be pretty for your little seasonal decor.
See.
Oh, look at this. Girl, you supposed to put candles. You can put candles inside.
Yep. Hey, this one
light
ain't
it
gotta
up.
carve none.
Oh, that's cute.
This one ain't gotta carve anything.
I ain't carving no pumpkin.
Yes, we are.
If y'all make me, I will. But other than that, that's the stuff. All right, we can go.
So, how was your experience at Kirkland?
I enjoyed it, but it's just like the curtains on my house. It was not really like an outlet at all. Like, absolutely not an outlet. Yes, so now I know. Get some ideas of what I want for my house. You know what I mean?
See.
So, but we do have one thing, though, girl.
What?
One thing.
What?
Jose, why?
And that's it.